So I went thrifting on my way back from my appointments at Mayo. I needed some therapy. And yes, my washer's going. I apologize for that. It'll be done in a minute. But I was going to do a haul for y'all. And then I realized I brought a cute little chippy bird already into the booth, as well as a cloche. And I think the lamp is still in my room, so I'll get that before we're done here. But I just wanted to show you what we picked up. I'm really being selective and trying to make sure I get things I can either put into the booth immediately or flip for my videos. So, and today we'll be flipping one of those items at the end, so stay tuned. My name is Sandra and I'm the owner at Midwest Charm, and you can find us online, which is linked below as well, you guys, as well as on all the social medias. I don't know what's going on. We specialize in repurposed, upcycled, vintage home decor, as well as all of your DIY needs. We carry Sweet Pickins Milk Paint, DIY paint, Iron Orchid designs, recycled treasures, Connie Lanes and designs, and more. We have it all. And you can either pick up local, we can ship, whatever your needs are. But today we're doing a thrift haul. So first of all, again, there's a few things I brought to the booth I forgot to get pictures of. But then we have this glass cloche lamp, and yes, it works. It was only $6.99, and it's got this gorgeous wood base. Not doing anything to this. It's gonna go in as is. Then we've got this little drawer. It's nice and chippy. This one does have the little to hang on the wall, but I think we're gonna go ahead and upcycle this. This is the faux, very machine added, so we're gonna be upcycling that. You guys, look at these. If you are aware of the new IOD release, these are gonna go so well in a vignette with some of the items from that. Just a little white strawberry pictures. These are made in Czechoslovakia. And then here's your sugar bowl. They're super sweet. And then we've got a wooden cheese box with a little knob. I'm not doing anything to this. I had some greener or some floral, but I already brought that into the booth too. But this would look really cute in with some floral in it, or some little plants, succulent plots. I got this to use for display in my booth. I'm going to make a sign about Connie Lines and Designs and Recycled Treasures on here, so they know what my paper brands are, because I don't have signage in there right now. So that's for those. I got this deep basket. This is like a tobacco basket, but it's like way deeper than normal. And it's got really, the sun's in the wrong spot, you guys, but this has got really good wood tone. Look at this. It's good. It's all worn and lovely. I will probably either paint it chippy white and like distress the heck out of it, or just oil it and put it in the booth. It's beautiful. Or maybe whatnot. That might go in whatnot. We'll see. And of course, I grabbed this. The little slidey part came out. I gotta add that back on. When I checked out at Goodwill, the girl was like, "You have a whole vibe going on here." I'm like, "I know." This will get some sort of artwork in here, most likely Connie paper. And this will be upcycled as well. I like using these. It's got a really good frame on it, so we will just paint over the words here, and they're flat on there, so I don't even think I'll have to sand it, but we'll put a paper on there too. I love me a Lazy Susan. This one's got a nice low scale for it, and then a nice lip on the edge. This will be perfect for decoupaging. Same as this. I don't know if I've ever seen a square one. So I grabbed this little hat box, cheese box, whatever you want to call these. This will get upcycled. Everything on this will get upcycled. Every bit of it. This is flat on there, but while cute, it's not at all my vibe. Looks like little people skiing. Possibly Christmas related. I don't know. I'm planning on hosting a jewelry box makeover class, and this will be one that will be up for grabs. A little stand. It looks like somebody probably made this on their own out of some salvage pieces. I love it. this is gonna get totally painted and distressed and just, I don't know, maybe some of the new IOD on it. I haven't decided. You know, I love my accordion hooks. This one is the original, it was $3.99, original yellow. Very vintagey looking. I'm gonna bring this into the booth and then hang some stuff from it. I've got a wall basket in there right now. That would look really cute hanging from that. Another little display piece I grabbed, which will go in a booth as well, is this, but it'll also be for sale. This is like a perfect countertop, like fruit basket, onions, potatoes basket. But I would like to put like greenery in it, or like the little stuffies that I made with soda that I sewed up, something like that in them, and have them all like in one specific area. Plus it'll add height to my display. And then Katie found these. They are a matching set. They're like soft. I don't know. It's hard to show you guys, but they're the boxes. So there's two of them, two different sizes. These are going to get upcycled, most likely with Roycycled treasure papers, because we've got some really, really, really good ones. And I know they'll go very well on these. And then I'll be able to show you guys how to go underneath the lip on this and to get it around the edge on that one. So it'll be good. It'll be good. So watch for those being upcycled. And as for today, let's get to work. We are using DIY's Cottage Color Americana. This is an all-in-one paint. You got to make sure that you give this a really, really good stir and get all the yumminess up off of the bottom and mix all that top coat in. So we are going to go ahead and put two good coats on this. This is a bit thinner than our usual DIY clay-based paint. So it does maybe look a little bit more scary going on, especially that first coat. And I know the base of this is in the way, but I promise you I flip this over in a second and you'll get to see me painting the top. So this goes on, as you can see, a little bit thinner. This first coat, you'll see it gets decent coverage, but definitely not full. I do go in the next little clip here. I filled in that little top where the bolt is with some IOD air dry clay. Once that was dry, I sanded it off and then painted over it so it's nice and smooth, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Here's that paint with the second coat and that hole filled in. I'm loving this paint. And now we're going to go in with a finger sander. I do have these linked below. I love to use them. It gives us just a little bit more control of our distressing. And I do go in pretty heavily with the distress. This has not even sat for, maybe 4 hours to dry. So it does come off fairly easily. There's not like a lot of work involved with this. It's not as easy as the clay based, but I'm still getting the distressed look I am going for. And I'm literally going to go over the top, the base, and the spindle in the middle. And I give it a really good distress. I wouldn't say heavy, but it's definitely a good distress. It's got that top coat in there, so I don't need to go back and seal this in at all. And I debated going in with some transfers, but for right now, I think I'm going to leave this the pretty Americana and the wood color and see if it sells. If it doesn't sell, I'll bring this baby home and I will use some stamps or some transfers on it. But I have a feeling this will go pretty quick. It's beautiful. It's a real basic necessary part. It would be great for a plant. It would be great for a cloche. It would be great for, some cute little bunnies for Easter. And the color is phenomenal. This color goes with everything, especially for spring. I mean, it's like a mainstay color for spring for sure. I do also go in and clean up the bottom of this and sand all that excess paint off, and then I do give it a coat of dark wax, which I didn't film at all. Some of those last second finishing touches I don't always include in the videos because I just feel like it's not necessary, but did want to let you know I do go in and take care of that. You guys,
the stage pictures are coming up, and I cannot wait to hear what you think of this piece.
So what did you think of today's video? That little stand turned out so cute. I can't wait to get it into the booth. I think it's going to be a really quick seller. The color is fabulous. Everything I used in today's video can be found linked below. You can always contact us on any of our social medias, including via our website or email address. All those are linked below. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it so much. It means the world to me and to my little business. And I'll see you guys all later.